Hey again, Shoot the Turnip Seed here with the Power Lead System video on how you use Power Lead System to set up a connect message so that when you have new opt-ins in the Power Lead System, you can basically connect with them on a more personal level. So what I've done in the Power Lead System is I created an email campaign where it just has one email in there. Okay, I'll link it to another video where I actually show how to set up a campaign. That's a whole nother video, super simple. But what I did was I went in, created a campaign, and I only put one email in there. So what I did is if you click on View Edit, I put together a very simple email campaign, and it says give me a call when you get a chance. Okay. And then it says, hey friend, thanks for being a loyal subscriber and trusting in me to give you the best information that has the highest potential to set you free financially. I would love to chat with you when you get the chance. Give me a call or text, and I give my number, and I say, let's talk about your goal and map out a game plan to help you get there. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Cheers, Coach in the Turnip Seed. And then there's a picture of me. And I mean, it doesn't have to be that wordy for you. You just want to say, hey, how are you? You know, I want to help you reach your goals. You know, let's connect with me and let's make a game plan. And what I just did was paste my contact information, and then I'm gonna say PS, I would love to add you to our VIP success group so you can look around. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Facebook, and I'm going to go to the Freedom Takers group, and I'm going to copy that link and put that in there, and that's going to be my template. What I'm going to start doing is every time somebody I get a new opt-in in the Power Lead System, I'm going to send them that message. That way they know who I am immediately, and that I want to connect with them. Okay. I hope y'all like my onesie. See, look, it has a hood. I love this thing. My sister loves these onesie things, and she wears them all the time. And then now she got me and my mother into them, and now we can't stop wearing them. So we just walk around looking, I don't know, crazy, but they're so warm. But anyways, let me take this off my head. I look crazy. I don't know why my internet is taking so long, but let's get it together, Facebook. I don't think it likes me today. That's what I think is happening. Today was just a crazy day. What in the world? Okay. I'm going to, if this does not load in 1 second, I'm just going to forget about it. Hold on 1 second. Okay, I'm back, and I found the link. So what I'm going to do is highlight where it says VIP Success Group, and I'm going to click link, and I'm going to paste that link in there, and I'm going to hit OK, and there you go. Okay, that's it. What I'm going to do is bold my phone number. I'm going to say highlight, I would like to chat with you, and I'll italicize that, and I'm gonna say that's pretty much it. Alright, let me hit go up here. I'm gonna say save changes. Okay, and that's that. So what I'm gonna do is just start sending this out like once or twice a week. You know, contact me, and what I'll do is I'll just change the subject line. It's the same template. I'm just gonna change where it says View Edit. I'll click on that, and I'll just change the subject line right here. So when I send it out on Monday, I might say give me a call when you get a chance. You know, when I send it out on Thursday, I might say, you know, something different. You know, if you wanted to, you could just make like 3 different copies of this same one and just change the subject line and send it out 2 or 3 times a week. So like scroll down here and where it says make an editable copy of one of these campaigns, you could create a copy, and then the second campaign, the first one email you send out will say give me a call when you get a chance. The next one says I really want to talk to you. You know, a third one could be whatever, and that way you're connecting with them outside of the automated emails that are going out. It's a little bit more personable. That's just something that I'm doing to try to connect with people as well. I know that one of the emails that I'm going to set up, so the first one is going to say give me a call when you get a chance. The next one is going to say are we connected on Facebook? That's going to be my next one. And then the third one is going to be, hey, are you in our VIP group? I'm going to set up 3 campaigns, 1 emails that just say that, and I'm going to send those out once a week, just so that people do those things. Connect with me, make sure that we're Facebook friends, and that they're in our VIP group. These are the 3 things I need them to do anyways to convert them into sales and upgrades. So yes, I'm going to create 3 separate campaigns, 1 email campaigns for those. I'm going to be sending those out once a week to my whole list. To my whole list, 3 times a week. Everybody going to get that email, and my new opt-in is going to get it as well. All right, that's it. Bye guys. I hope this was of value. Like, comment, and subscribe.